guys, I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday today. It's a bit windy today, so at least we're going to do some real wholesome, healthy, organic, good food today, keep us warm. I hope you're having a great day today. It's this weekly cooking channel, and today we're going to do something really special. I had this a few times, so I've cooked a few times, had it over in Jamaica a few times, so it's really wholesome food here. So the dish that I'm going to do is stew peas. So also this is a really traditional dish in Jamaica. They cook this a lot. It's a big favourite of people around Jamaica. I enjoy it myself. So obviously stew peas is cooked with a choice of meat. It could be even pork. Got corn pork cut over there with beef. You use chicken. So you choose what meat you want. Do you want to have one piece of meat in, or you cover it to 2 pieces of meat? So it's really your choice. You should really enjoy this today. I'm looking forward to this dish. I hope you're really going to try this dish. I'd just like to say that today's dish was requested weeks ago by a subscriber. So I want to say thank you very much to the subscriber who recommended this dish. I appreciate it a lot. So I hope you do enjoy this video. As I say every video is any requests you want me to redo a dish, I'm very happy to do that. Always intrigued by your requests because I love to try them out, love trying out different dishes, so any requests always will be happy to do these dishes when I can do. So also I have to do one video a week. Obviously if I get 2-3 requests at one time, obviously there's going to be the person may have to wait a bit longer, but I will eventually do my video requests. So I do appreciate all your support, my subscribers out there, people who watch my video and like, appreciate it a lot. So let's get cooking today in our video. So the kidney peas, also the peas, we'll wash these 2 times in fresh water and then add these to a pan with fresh water, and then also add in 2-3 cloves of garlic and let it soak overnight. And I'll see the following day what I did is I put in the peas, transfer it into another pan, and then would add the diced meat together and then let that cook. Normally it would put in another pan about 1 hour, cook until it's tender. I use a pressure cooker which takes about 15 to 18 minutes probably. If you do have a pressure cooker then obviously it'll be a lot quicker, but if you have a normal regular pan then only about 1 hour till tender, so at least 1 hour. So dumplings need to be about this size, small ones, because normally the other videos are not large ones, so here's just do some really small tiny ones, accompany the dish. So now I've got the right amount of dumplings now, adding this seasoning. And here, got a chilli. If you want to add it, you'd have to add chilli, and then the thyme, fresh thyme. What I've done here is spring onion, scallion, but spring onion cut over here. Obviously, depending on the spring onion is fresh enough, or the taste, strong taste, and I use onion to accompany the dish, getting more better taste to it. And also use some bay leaves here. So got chilli there, got the thyme, the onions, spring onions, and also the bay leaf. So also got some cloves, and then some black peppercorns, and also use some stock seasoning there and some pepper here. So now I'm going to add it now to the pan now. Right guys, you see now all the seasons in the pan now with the meat and the tender meat and the tender peas now. So that marinate together, the seasoning. So you can imagine how earthy this is going to taste now. So just let it sit and cook now. So we're almost getting there to the end. So you can see everything, the colour, it's just looking beautiful here. Also with this dish I'm going to do some broccoli, some nice vegetable to go with this dish. It should really taste it. I mean, you can choose what vegetable you want to do. Today I'm going to do some broccoli. So guys, see they're cooking now, looking beautiful now. So I'm going to turn down the hob a bit now because it's bubbling a bit. So we're getting there, just get the thickness of the gravy there. So once you get nice the gravy, it's and tender and nice cooked. Once that the water drains a little bit and get nice thickness on the gravy, so it should be ready. So I'm really looking forward to this. Say I want a nice earthy meal today, so eventually we're getting there soon. We'll have some nice tasty food. So see guys, there it's looking tremendous now. So what in the kitchen you do is get a taste it, so you can add any more seasoning. I tasted just before a minute ago and it tasted just perfect. So then it's ideal, just need to taste it, see how it's going. Sometimes I need to add stuff to it, so this is fine now. So we're eventually getting there, we're almost finished. I just want to say, I forgot to tell you that the pork put on today, it's not pork, it's gammon, it's pork, but it's gammon I use today, not have pork. So you can use pork, and also use gammon as pork as well. So I forgot to tell you in the video that I slipped my mind. So yeah, so I used gammon and beef today. Also guys, in this video I will put a list of all the ingredients required now. So if people really want to try this dish, I'll in this video I'll put a list of all the ingredients, what's needed to do this meal. Because I'm sure people out there will want to try, so get it listed up, people are going to make it easier, people know what ingredients are on. So what I'll do, I said in this video, I'll make a list of all the ingredients. Right guys, so then I've finished now cooking now, all been cooked, so I'm really looking forward to eating this earthy, refreshing, organic cooking here. It's going to be warm up today, I feel a bit chilly outside, so going to really enjoy this. Hope you enjoy this video. What's there? Any more requests? I'm happy to do these dishes, so leave a comment. If you like my videos, any ideas to sessions maybe to maybe improve the videos, I'm happy to listen. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday today, have a restful Sunday, or rested for a start a new week. So if you like, please can like, subscribe, comment and press on your notification video. So until next time, have a great time. Bye bye. So see guys, there it's looking tremendous now. So what in the kitchen you do is get a taste it, so you can add any more seasoning. I tasted just before a minute ago and it tasted just perfect. So then it's ideal, just need to taste it, see how it's going. Sometimes I need to add stuff to it, so this is fine now. So we're eventually getting there, we're almost finished.